अब यो इमेजलाई हेर्ने हो भने चाहिँ यो इमेजमा ह्युमन बडीसँग सम्बन्धित छ। अब यसमा कन्टेन्टमा जाने र नोज, माउथ, ट्रकिया, लङ्स, डायफ्राम यी कुराहरूलाई डिटेल्समा बोल्ने हो भने हेल्थभन्दा बाहिरको स्टुडेन्टको लागि त्यो फ्लुएन्सी मेन्टेन गरेर बोल्न एकदमै गाह्रो हुन्छ। अब यसमा पनि हामीले फेरि त्यही प्रोनाउन्सिएसनकै सहाराले चाहिँ क्याजुअली अलिअलि यो कन्टेन्टलाई टच गरेर आफूले सेन्टेन्सेस क्रिएट गरेर पर्फेक्ट सार्प भोइसमा ल्याउने ट्राई गर्छौँ र अभियसली 80+ स्कोर हामीले ल्याउने प्रयास गर्छौँ। टेम्प्लेट नलगाउने प्लिज। This image of human anatomy, like human body, is pretty complex. It has got all these organs, and this image also talks about some of the organs of human body. First of all, there are 2 lungs, like the human body also has lungs, and they are very important and vital parts of our body. And the next one we could say in this image is the nose, and nose also gets in fresh air from the atmosphere, and it helps us to live longer. And in this particular image, we could also see other details about the human body. So in conclusion, this image would be really important and informative for students who wish to understand some important parts of human body. अब यसलाई हामीले चाहिँ चेक गर्ने। यहाँ पर्छ 2 minutes. So this AI system will take some time to give us the score what we deserve. So see, हामीले यसरी बोल्दाखेरि पनि perfect 87 स्कोर ल्याएको छौँ। So this is how we try. तपाईले पनि त्यो इमेजलाई यही फर्म्याटमा, यसमा फर्म्याट नै हुँदैन, just speak what you know, but the only condition is speak in a perfect voice.